Hi everyone, welcome back to David's tutorial, and in this video, if you are wondering if you're eligible for monetization on Quora, then here's a video for that. So let us start discussing if you are now eligible for monetization on Quora. So here's what you need to do. So you want to go open first your Quora or open the Quora app and make sure you're logged into your account. Then go to settings or earnings. So from your profile picture, from the drop down, select settings or monetization. This may vary by region, so it may depends. So if you're on mobile, you want to tap your profile, go to more and then monetization. And then look for monetization programs. Quora currently offers Quora Plus, ad revenue sharing, and space monetization. So each are have different definition and eligibility. Next, check eligibility status. So in the monetization section, you'll see if you're eligible for that. So Quora typically checks just like any other. If you're 18 plus years old, if you live in a supported country, if you have a verified payment method, if your account is in good standing, no major policy violations, and if you have consistent engagement. Next is you want to apply or wait for an invitation from them. So if you're eligible, you'll see an apply or join button, and if you're not, Quora will display a message like not eligible yet and may suggest requirements to meet. Next is you want to set up and finalize your payment methods. So once accepted, connect your Stripe or PayPal accounts for payouts. And that's it on how to check if you are eligible for monetization on Quora.